Before you drop cash on a Kastking spinning reel, there's one thing no product page tells you, and it's why so many anglers end up frustrated after just a few trips. The specs all look solid, but real-world performance? That's where the truth hides. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best Kastking spinning reels that actually hold up where it matters.
Product number 1. Megatron, the Beast. The Kastking Megatron. This thing looks like it rolled off a Transformers set, and honestly, that's part of the appeal. Priced at $65.99, it's the most expensive on this list, but it backs that up with a rigid aluminum frame, 7+1 double-shielded stainless steel bearings, and over 30 pounds of carbon drag. If you want raw power and durability for big saltwater fish or heavy freshwater species, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 30+ pound drag isn't just marketing fluff. It's triple disc carbon fiber, so it's smooth under pressure and won't hesitate when a big fish makes a run. The CNC aluminum spool and handle adds strength without unnecessary weight, and the anti-reverse feature gives you instant hook sets. Plus, it's built for both fresh and saltwater, so you're not limited to one type of fishing. With 400+ sold in the past month, it's clearly catching attention. Now, some people complained about the weight. At 0.52 kilograms, it's not exactly feather light. Here's the thing though, if you're targeting trophy fish, that extra heft adds stability and reduces flex during hard fights. It's not ideal for all-day ultralight trout fishing, but for serious anglers who need muscle, it's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're chasing bass, redfish, or even smaller inshore saltwater species and want a reel that won't quit. Skip this one if you're into lightweight setups or casual panfish fishing. For the price, it's a solid investment in long-term performance.
Product number 2, Brutus, Budget King. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious anglers, the Kastking Brutus at just $22.94. Don't let the low price fool you. This reel punches above its weight with a graphite frame, CNC aluminum spool, and a 5.2-to-1 gear ratio. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The graphite frame keeps it lightweight at just 299 grams, making it ideal for long days on the water without fatigue. The 4+1 ball bearings and instant anti-reverse ensure smooth retrieves and solid hook sets, while the multi-disc drag delivers up to 17.5 pounds of stopping power, more than enough for bass, crappie, and walleye. With 400+ sold recently, it's a favorite among entry-level and weekend anglers. Now, some people complained about the drag not being as smooth under heavy load compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for freshwater fishing under 15 pounds, it holds up just fine. It's not built for tarpon or big catfish, but for everyday bass and trout, it's more than capable. The zinc alloy main gear does the job without the premium cost of full metal. This is perfect for you if you're new to fishing or want a backup reel that won't hurt your wallet. Skip this one if you're fishing saltwater regularly or targeting larger species. For under $25, it's one of the best value plays in the Kastking lineup.
Product number 3, Spartacus 2, Saltwater Shield. If the Brutus's freshwater-only design bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Kastking Spartacus 2 at $37.38. Built with a reinforced graphite body and sealed KISS system, it's designed to resist saltwater intrusion. If you want a reel that can handle both fresh and saltwater without corroding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 22 pounds of sealed carbon fiber drag means you can fight bigger fish without worrying about water or sand getting into the system. The 7+1 stainless steel bearings and Hamai-cut gears deliver buttery smooth performance, and the 5.2-to-1 gear ratio is perfect for versatile techniques. Plus, the striker green color and EVA knob give it a sleek, functional look. It's also surprisingly lightweight, making it great for ice fishing or long casting sessions. Now, some people complained about the handle feeling a bit flimsy on the smaller sizes. Here's the thing though. The 500 and 1000 sizes are built for finesse in ice fishing, where extreme torque isn't needed. If you're using heavier line or targeting larger fish, stepping up to the 3000 or 4000 size fixes that issue. This is perfect for you if you fish brackish waters, inshore saltwater, or even winter ice fishing. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty offshore reel. For the price and versatility, it's a standout in Kastking's mid-range lineup.
Product number 4, Zephyr, Ultralight Wonder. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for finesse anglers, the Kastking Zephyr at $36.79. Weighing in at just 7 ounces in the 1000 size, it's one of the lightest reels Kastking makes. If you want an ultralight setup for trout, panfish, or ice fishing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically.
The carbon fiber drag delivers up to 22 pounds of power despite the lightweight build, so you're not sacrificing strength for sensitivity. The CNC aluminum spool is braid-ready, meaning no backing needed, and the oversized stainless steel main shaft adds durability. With 7+1 shielded bearings, it's smooth enough for long casts and delicate presentations. The blackout design isn't just for looks. The cutouts reduce weight while maintaining rigidity. Now, some people complained about the graphite body feeling less sturdy during hard fights. Here's the thing though, this reel is designed for light line fishing, not battling 20-pound cats. If you're using 4 to 8 pound test and targeting trout or crappie, it's more than capable. Just don't expect it to double as a saltwater brute. This is perfect for you if you're into ultralight trout fishing, ice fishing, or long-distance casting with light lures. Skip this one if you're using heavy line or fishing in rocky, abrasive environments. For finesse applications, it's a top-tier choice at this price.
Product number 5. Lethal Blaze, Balanced Performer. The Kastking Lethal Blaze at $27.99. This one strikes a sweet spot between price and performance, with a 5.2-to-1 gear ratio, CNC aluminum spool, and up to 17.6 pounds of drag in the smaller sizes. If you want a well-rounded reel for bass and trout without overspending, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The glass fiber-infused nylon frame keeps it lightweight yet rigid, reducing fatigue during long fishing days. The 5+1 stainless steel bearings and brass pinion gear ensure smooth cranking, while the foldable aluminum handle gives you a secure grip even when wet. It's available in sizes 2,000 to 5,000, so you can match it to your target species, from trout to inshore saltwater fish. Now, some people complained about the drag not being as refined as higher-end models under extreme pressure. Here's the thing though, for 90% of freshwater and light inshore fishing, it's more than sufficient. The drag is infinitely adjustable and holds steady, just don't expect tournament-level precision. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile, everyday reel for bass, trout, or light saltwater use. Skip this one if you're chasing big game or need maximum drag smoothness. For under $30, it's one of the best all-around values Kastking offers.
So which Kastking spinning reel should you buy? The Megatron if you need brute strength, the Brutus if you're on a tight budget, the Spartacus 2 for saltwater durability, the Zephyr for ultralight finesse, and the Lethal Blaze if you want the best balance of price and performance. Each has its strengths, and honestly a few compromises too. But for the money, Kastking delivers solid options across the board. Drop your favorite in the comments in tight lines.